Today I'm going to do a ponytail tutorial. Look at me, look at me, look at me doing tutorials. I can't. The key to a like messy, loose looking pony, it's really not easy. No, it is. Yeah, it is easy. Okay, so look, this is what I do. So I washed my hair, I don't know, a couple days ago. So it's like, as on its last leg, I can't really do much else to it. Use a regular rubber band. See? Okay. And then I just, first, you want to start by doing a regular ponytail, like this. Pull it. Keep pulling it until it's nice and tight. You know, not crazy tight, good tight. All right, so there. Regular pony, nothing special. Boring. All right, here's the key. Ready? This is what you're going to do. See if this is a good angle. Actually, I'm going to try it this way. You're going to take, like this part. See the front right here? And I take my thumbs underneath. Take your thumb underneath and push up. Push up. Like that. Now, if I was to let go, this is what it looks like still. So when you push up, you want to pull the front part of your pony like this. Keep pushing and pulling and pulling. But you want to pull from the top. You don't pull from back here. You pull from the top because it pulls it up. Okay. So cool. This is a good height for me. Now, here's the artistic part of a pony. Ready? You're going to pull this hair forward. Just a little bit. That gives you the va-va-voom. Some people tease it. I just pull and yank and tug. You want to get cray-cray. You pull little pieces down. You know, if you're going someplace fancy. I'm not going someplace fancy. I'm hitting up ShopRite. All right. So if you get any type of bumps, take a comb. You could take a comb and like push it. And then you could take a bobby pin and just pin it down. Just keep tugging till you get your desired poof. My hair is pretty good. Like if I was to take spray to this, I can just like spray and it stays. If you want, if you have time and your kids aren't harassing your life, okay, you can tease it. So you tease the back of the pony like this, see, like this, and you poof it up. And then if you got like buku time, like 5 to 7 minutes buku time, turn on a curling iron. See how the bottoms like are a little me? You take this and just wrap it. So, just to curl my ends a little bit, right? Okay, so now I'm gonna spray. Spray, spray, spray. This is a little bumpy over here. I'm gonna take a bobby pin. I use these because it's easy to like hold bumps down. And then you just push it, scoop it up, find the bump, and tug it down. That's all. And now how I spray my hair, I take, can you see? I take like little pieces of it and I just spray. I'll spray the back, let it fall, just to give it like a poof. Damn, it actually came out really good today. So that's the key. The key is this. The key is to pull this part of your hair. Start in the middle. And like I said, you push up with your finger and pull. Keep pushing up and pulling. The key is to pull it and make it messy. This is what gives you that like, oh, I just got off the beach and just threw my hair in a ponytail. You know, easy peasy. But it's work. It's work, ladies. It's work, okay? Everything is work. Everything we freaking do is work. Oh, you want to get really fancy? Here's what you do. Well, you know how people hide their rubber band? You take a little piece off the edge of your hair, just like this, and you literally wrap it around to hide it, like this. And you go all the way around and then you just pin it with a bobby pin. One bobby pin is good. And then I just spray however you want. I like this spray. I use Sebastian the Shaper because I like my hair to be movable, you know? Okay. Okay, perfect pony. There we go. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Bye. Oh, subscribe to my videos. Subscribe to my videos. Bye.